seems like we should probably review. Okay. So what's the first thing I'm going to do?
Write down
factors of 20. What are my factors of 20? So I'll do the first one. I got 1 and 20. 2 and 10. That's it? That's all? Got 10 and 2. Okay. All right. Which pair?
10 and 2. Which pair add up to the Antoine?
Thanks. I hope I don't sound like that. But yeah. Okay. So I know I'm going to end up with 2 binomials. Okay. Okay. New look. New look. New brackets. So I'm going to have a V and a V. And are they both going to be positive?
Yes.
So add 2, add 10.
Yes.
So wouldn't that give me a negative 12? So there's only one correct answer. There's not multiples. I know it would be nice if there was multiple answers. In some cases of math, there are multiple answers. But this has to be positive. Okay, you guys good with that?
Yes.
That was yesterday. Easy peasy. That's why it's called simple. We're moving into today's lesson, which is complex. No, not at all. So if you did B plus 10 and B plus 2, you're perfectly correct. All right. Okay, here we go. Complex trinomials. What makes it complex? Yeah. No.
No. It looks the exact same.
It looks very, very similar. You're absolutely 100% correct. It looks very, very similar.
But it's like, it's the same thing.
No. I'll show you why. Just let me continue and I'll show you why. Okay? Okay, the reason why it's complex, I think I'm going to have trouble today. The reason why it's complex is that A value is now a number. Okay? So before, it wasn't a number. Before it was a 1, sorry. It wasn't a number, that's bad math. So now you're going to end up with a number greater or less than 1 in front of your x squared or your variable squared. Doesn't matter if it's a k or an h or whatever. Okay. Okay. All right. So you know what? I think I'm only going to teach you the grouping method. I'm sorry. I think I'm going to just stick with the grouping method because I think if I give you multiple options right now, I think there's going to be tears and then you'll mix them up. So okay. All right. So complex factoring. So what we're going to do is the first term stays the same. You're going to split the middle term into 2 factors, and then the last term stays the same. You're going to common factor the last 2, take some stuff out, make some stuff equal, and then it's all going to be good. Got it? Perfect. Okay, this is what I told my grade 11's last period. The steps won't make sense until we practice it, and then all of a sudden, oh yeah, that's what you meant for that. So, okay, this is how it's not like number 21. The first thing I'm always going to do, as soon as I see that number in front, I'm going to see if I can common factor that out. Because if I can common factor it out, this would be nice. And then I go back to simple, I go back to yesterday, and yesterday was beautiful and easy, and at the time I remember and cherish.
So the complex is when you can't factor it out. So, okay.
So, in question 21 on last week's assignment, there was a question like this, but you common factor with a 4, or with a negative 4, or with a 4 of some kind, and it left you with a coefficient of 1 on the v squared, or whatever it was. This one, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look to see if I can do that, because it makes it a whole lot easier if I can. I can take 4 to here, I can take 4 to here, but I can't take a 4 to 9, so can't common factor it. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I'm not, yeah. Okay, I'm red button squish. If you ever see this red, then I'm not recording. And then then I'm in trouble. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is I want you to take the front number and I want you to multiply it by the back number. Are you guys okay if I say this step over here, multiply A by C?
Can I just move something for
I know, but I'm just using my. Okay, good point, good point. Yeah. We don't want the terms, we just want the coefficient though. I need the 4 by the 9, and I don't want the h squared in there. Yeah.
But is it always going to be first and last?
Yes, always first and last. Always first and last. So what is A is 4 by 9? So 4 by 9 equals 36. Okay, so now the reason why I need that 36 is I need the factor set or the factor pairs of 36 that add up to 20. I'll get the first one. 1 and 36. 2 and 18. 3 and 12. 4 and 9. I think I'm done.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so what factor set? Oh, yeah. Just remember that this is the factor pair. So we're looking for the factor pair that adds up to 20. 2 and 18. 2 and 18. And like I said, it's 6 times together. Get it together. Okay. So the first term we rewrite. 4h squared. Simple, easy. Now 20, we're not going to write it 20. We're going to write it as 2 and 18. So I'm going to say plus 2h plus 18h plus 9. Because all I've done is I've changed how it looks. I haven't changed the value. Because if we combine these two, we get 20, right?
So you're only going to take
Only changing the middle one. Okay? But there's no factors of 9 that would add up to 20. We got to take into account that 4, right? Okay? So that's step 1. So we're not changing the value. You guys all know if we combine these like terms, we go back to that term. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay. So that's that step right there. So we split that into 2 factors. So we're just changing the way it looks, just like you guys hopefully changed your clothes. I saw you yesterday. You're still the same people. You just have different clothing on, hopefully. Maybe. Okay. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to group those first. We're going to look at the first 2 terms. So I'm not putting them in brackets. I'm just going to circle them. Just to indicate that those are the 2 that I'm looking at. You guys okay with that? I'm not putting them in brackets. I'm just circling them. Okay. Now I'm going to common factor out of just those 2 terms. Okay, I can definitely take a 2. What else can I take, folks? An H. Now we're going to put a bracket in. What gets left? Okay, hang on. If I took a 2 out of 4, a 2's left, 2h, and I took the whole thing out of this one, plus 1. Okay, this is common factor. This is way back to, I don't know, Tuesday, Monday? Like it's Friday now. Way back. If you take the whole thing out, you have to leave a 1 there. Okay? Because if you multiply it back in, it needs to have something to multiply into. Okie dokie? Good? Perfect. Okay. So now, I'm going to look at these 2. What can I take out? I can take a 2 out of 9. Okay, what kind of 9? Positive 9. So I'm going to write this as plus 9. What's left over if I take that 9 out? Try it again, guys. Okay. So you see 2h plus 1. Okay, so you see how it's easy kind of to mix up, but we're not focused 100% fully on it. All right, now if you've done this correctly, this one and this one should be the exact same. Okay, if you've done it correctly, these two things should be the exact same. Yeah, makes me every day I just like I come in with the intention of just spewing knowledge at you. Okay, so if I take this out, if I common factor that out, I'm going to write that down. So 2h plus 1. So that's gone from here, and it's gone from there. Yeah, we're going to use brackets. What do we end up with always? 2 binomials, right? You always end up with 2 binomials. So if I take this out of both of those, what's left? 2h plus 9. Are we done now? We have complex factors. Okay, but for funsies, we're going to multiply and just make sure we get it correct. Hey, I'm a math teacher. This is my fun. 2h times 2h. 4h squared. Oh, I love it. And then 2h times positive 9. Okay. 1 times 2h. 2h. Wow. And 1 times 9? So we have 4h squared plus 20h plus 9. Okay. Good job. Good job. Okay. So complex is a little more complex. Okay, let's try this one. Okay. Okay, what am I going to do? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, what I said to you yes, you're absolutely right. When I started this at the beginning, I said you can't do 2 things really well. So if you're distracted by chatting with the person next to you, or you're super pumped that you got the answer correct, I'm really proud of you, but we have like 15 more examples to get through. So what's the first thing I'm going to do when I look at this? Okay, you crazy fools, you are so excited and I love it. But what's the thing I'm going to check first? But I already, like, she said, no, you can't. That's what I was saying. You always want to common factor because if you can common factor, do that because your numbers are going to be smaller, it's going to be nicer. Sometimes you'll common factor something out and it will still leave you with a complex trinomial. Don't feel defeated. It will be better because your numbers will be smaller. Okay, this one is a little bit bigger. I have 6. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take 6 times 30, negative 35. What do I get? Negative 210. All right, folks. Now, do you guys find that I find this as I'm going through, I just look at the factors in 210, and then I decide which one needs to be positive, which one needs to be negative? Yeah. Like, that's how I do it. I don't write them all down. So I'll do the first one, the first one, in 210. I'll even do the second one. You're on a roll. 5 from 42? Yeah, he's right. Let's not laugh at him. No, 6:35. 6:35.
Yeah.
And what did you say, Scott? 7:30. Oh, it should be 35. Sorry, we were talking. It was 6:35, and then we were moving on to 7:30, and then sort of nodded together. What's the name? 10:21. Is that the one? Because they have to add up to -11. Okay, so which one's going to be positive? Which one's going to be negative? Has to be -21 because I need a -11, right? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Okay, so 6k squared stays the same. And what do you want to put up first? The 10? Okay. Minus 35, we keep it. Again, I'm just changing the look, I'm not changing the value. Yep. Oh man, like you come on up here and write on the board, okay? No, this is a question. I just got a little bit crazy, okay? Okay, I'm typing hard. I thought he was calling me out on my printing, I was like. You're right, it would be a different variable. But it's a lowercase k. Ouch. I feel like this is going to be it. All right, so I don't know what step we're on, 27. I'm going to look at those two. What am I going to factor out? And what am I left with?
3k plus 5. Okay. No.
All right, so before you go any further, just do a quick mental check. If you multiply this into this bracket, will you get back up to this? Yeah. Okay, good. So as you're doing it, it is on a test or a quiz. These are quick ways to check if you're on the right track. And if you need a piece of scrap paper to check to actually write them out, please do so. All right. So now we're looking at these two. 7? What kind of 7? I have to go to -7. What am I left with? Okay, because what's the deal? This and this have to be the exact same. So if I took out a +7, that would have left me with a -3 and a -5. So I had to take out the -7. Okay, so what are my two factors? Okay, so that's fine from both of them. What's left? It just takes, like, literally, you have to slow down and take your time. Okay. Okay, so looking at these, I can take out a 3 and I can take out an x. I'm left with an x plus 2. Okay? If I look at these, that doesn't look like I can take anything out. But there is something I can take out. I can take out that -1. So if I take out a -1, I'm left with a positive x and a positive 2. And to check this, if I multiply that -1 back in, I should get right back to here. Okay. Clark, do you know how to do this? Yes, you're solid.
I'm not going to do it.
Oh, you're not going to do it for me. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. You know how to do it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Because your quiz on this is on Tuesday. So when Clark's asking, did you watch it? Did you watch? I I'm assuming it's not me that you're asking them, did they watch it? So maybe if we watched it, maybe it would make more sense. So this is going to be x plus 2. That's gone over both of them, so I'm left with 3x minus 1. Okay, I think we're pretty confident with that. You guys kind of blew through that pretty quickly. Okay, next one is 3 times negative 10 gives me negative 30. The factor pair that works is not 3 and 10. Because one has to be positive and one has to be negative. Yeah. Nope. That's wrong. Okay. Hi. Okay. The thing that, okay, does the bracket order matter? This is equivalent to this. Some of you didn't put them in this order. You flip them and put the negative first and the 6 second. That's perfectly fine. What you would get inside this bracket would be 3x minus 1 and 3x minus 1, and that would have been the thing you pulled out first. And that is perfectly okay. There's nothing wrong with that. You guys are brilliant if you're doing it that way. It doesn't matter what order you do it in, which one you put first. You're going to get, the most important thing is these are the two that you end up with. What does matter is the signs. If you have a positive here and a negative here, that will screw things up. But if you get this as one factor, and this is your second factor, you are golden. It does not matter the order. Okay, so 30 maybe trips some people up because 3 and 10 is the obvious one. 3 and 10 give me 13. But it's a negative, and this has to be a negative, so it's 15 and 2. So 3s squared minus 15s plus 2s minus 10. I'm looking at these two first. And what am I going to take out? Definitely taking out a 3. And I can take out an s. Did you guys notice that every time in your first common factoring, you always take out the variable? Did you guys notice that? And in your second one, it's a number only? Okay. That is repetitive, that's constant, that's the same. So if I'm left with s minus 5. Okay, when I look at these two, I'm going to take out a positive 2. Are you guys writing the plus 2? You need to. Okay, you need to do that. So I'm left with s minus 5. I know I've done it correctly because they look the exact same. So s minus 5 and 3s plus 2. Okay. I'm waiting, I'm pausing. Okay, guys, so what I'm asking you to do is I'm asking you to give me just a little bit of time. Trust me, I will do it without common factoring next. This is why I want to pause on this one. I said it was something special. I'll show you where the problem is by not common factoring. So let me common factor first, and we'll solve this one, and then I will do it without common factoring. So if you have not common factored, please do not erase that. Keep that right now. But just give me a small second to do this one. Woo! All right, so this is 6. This is 6, because I got 2 times positive 3 is 6, but I need a negative 7. Negative 1 and 6. Brilliant. Okay, so my 3 still stays outside. I've got 2x squared minus 6x minus x plus 3. I'm going faster than my marker's going. I look at these two. What can I take out? 2x. Maybe square brackets might be more helpful. I'll put square brackets around that. What's left if I take out a 2x? X minus 3. Thanks, guys. I'm going to look at these two. Is there anything I can take out? If it's not something obvious, it's always 1. Okay? If you can't, it's like if there's no factors that they share, it's always 1. But this one, I have to take out what kind of 1? A -1, because I want the x to be positive, right? Like I want it to be positive, so I'm going to take out a -1, so I'm left with x minus 3. Because if I multiply this back in, this would give me a -x, and this would give me a positive 3. And then I will close my big square bracket. All right, so I have 3 bracket x minus 3 and 2x minus 1. No, you don't. You're wrong. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to do it if I didn't common factor, if I didn't see it. Okay. If I didn't see it, 6 times 9 is 54. What are my factors of 54 that will add up to a -21? 18 and 3. Okay. So 6x squared minus 18x minus 3x plus 9. Everybody's like, oh, that's nice because I can take some numbers out. Life's good. So I'm looking at these two. What am I going to take out? A 6x. And I'm left with x minus 3. Looking at these two, I'm going to take out a minus. Was going to take out a minus 3 until bad things happen. Okay, so I'm left with 6x minus 3 x minus 3. I did that in the opposite order that I've always done it in, just because I'm rushing and I apologize. But those are my two factors, right? So do you guys see what the problem is? Just like, no, not really. Show us. Can I not look at this one and take something out? There's a factor of these ones that I can take out. What can I take out? 3. So if I look, there's nothing I can take out of this. This is like as factors I can get. They have nothing in common. I can take ones out until the cows come home. They're all positive ones. But I can take 3 out of here. So this would leave me with 3, 2x minus 1, x minus 3. Exact same answer that I got by common factoring first. Now, I'll tell you the danger of it. People walk away at this point and say, I'm done. I factored. I did the complex factor, never rocks there. But this is not fully factored because I can take something out of this bracket. People always forget to do it at the end. If you did this, and this was a 3-mark question, I'd give you 2.5 out of it. Maybe 2. Maybe 2. 2.5, you like 2.5 better? You want the 3 back here now?
No, if you don't see it, you get 2 marks.
This? Like this? I said 2.5. You were just discussing that. Oh no! If you just did that, if you got to here and walked away and you were done, I'm gonna give you 2.5. Okay. All right, last one. Holy Hannah. All right. Can I common factor in anything from here? No. 4 times 4. 16. It's a positive 16, but I need to get to a negative 16. Thanks. What kinds? That's supposed to be an H. Okay, so I don't know. Some of you maybe to
Lunch time announcement for today are as follows. The orange fruit are being sold in the forum during lunchtime. The cost is
I
$15.
think we have 7 minutes
The
left.
viral club starts today at lunch in room 209. And on the menu today in the cafeteria, the soup is mushroom for $1.50, and the entree is pizza for $6. Enjoy your lunch.
Okay, we've got 6 minutes. All right, so I'm moving faster now. Because there's 6 minutes left. I'm also doing things in my head. 4 times 4 is 16. It's a positive 16, but I need to get to a negative 17, and you guys gave me those. I didn't write it down anywhere this time, and that's okay. If you're not comfortable with that, please make sure that you do get it written down. All right, so what can I common factor over these two? 4H. Remember the first set, you're always taking a number, well, you might take a number, but you definitely will take a variable. So I'm left with H minus 4. What am I taking out of the second set? Taking a negative 1. I'm left with H minus 4. So I have 4. Oh, look at that. I'm doing it backwards again. Does that mess you up if I do it in the wrong order?
No.
I apologize if that's not the way I started it. And I'm bad for that. I can do it backwards and forwards and I can see it, but I know that as we practice, we probably should do it. Anytime you practice something, you got to practice the same skill over and over again in the same order in order to get that down. And then once you get that, you're good. Okay, oh, we got 5 minutes. I did that in a minute. That's amazing.